Ready to spice up your kitchen lingo with some English flair? Welcome to Master Kitchen English 100 Sentences Translated. Today we're diving into common kitchen phrases that you use every day but in English. Ready? Let's get started. First up, Kya aap mujhe NMK deskte hain becomes can you pass me the salt? Easy, right? How about sabjiyan kat to chop the vegetables? Let's try something trickier. Kirpya pyaj barik katan translates to please dice the onions finely. And don't forget, sini dadalo is simply add the sugar. Next, guys dimik or dough is turn the heat down. And when you need help, kya aap meri midi karste hain means can you help me? Practice these phrases and soon you'll be a pro at kitchen English. Remember, it's all about consistency. So keep practicing and soon those English phrases will roll off your tongue just like your favorite home-cooked meal. Happy cooking! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips. See you next time!